These advanced devices have redefined the logging landscape, demonstrating unparalleled speed and precision. Equipped with advanced technology and techniques, let's see with me how it works. Woodcracker C550 with impressive cutting capabilities, this machine can powerfully handle large-sized trees, supporting the logging process to become smoother and more efficient. In the video, the machine removes oversized trees from a former windbreak, helping to regenerate orange fields in South Africa. The old trees have absorbed too much water from the ground and created large shadows, affecting the fields. The FD60 disc lawnmower is now doing the job of cutting grass and removing bushes effectively in infertile places. With a cutting width of approximately 60 inches, this powerful machine demonstrates outstanding precision and performance. Its powerful blades make cleaning a snap, demonstrating its impressive ability to handle large amounts of vegetation at a time. Next up is a powerful wood splitter. The Woodcracker W1350 can easily split trees with outstanding precision. With incredible force, it can handle large quantities of wood efficiently, handling diameters up to 1,350 mm. This advanced equipment not only ensures fast work, but also promotes sustainable forestry practices by optimizing the use of harvested wood. The Combi saw, a powerful tool for felling trees, stands out for its precision and versatility. With a cutting capacity of approximately 12 inches in diameter, it seamlessly combines the features of both a chainsaw and a pole saw. This innovative design allows users to handle various cutting tasks efficiently, making it the ideal choice for forestry professionals as well as forestry owners. The Schwannit 600T tree clamping device is used on felling cranes. It enhances the ability to cut tall trees or branches in a simpler and more convenient way with a 23-meter-long shaft. We will explore the most powerful chainsaw in the world, the Stihl MS 881 Magnum. This chainsaw is truly a monster, with a cutting speed of about 20 meters per minute, making it a breeze to cut wood. This powerful machine resets the standards for professional chainsaw performance. Next is a machine that does not have the ability to cut wood super strong, but the speed of cutting wood is its advantage. The Energy KX210 Woodpicker is suitable for excavators from 1.5 to 5 tons, specializes in cutting small trees, and its speed is extremely fast. The Frontier OS27 mobile saw proves to be an effective solution for fundamental sawing requirements at sawmills. Capable of cutting around 21 inches in diameter and 12 feet in length, it provides the versatility to manage various wood sizes. Its portable design facilitates on-site milling, ensuring convenience and flexibility. The KX350 excels as a specialized woodcutter, crafted for efficient tree cutting in cold and icy regions. Engineered to manage extreme temperatures, it guarantees productivity in challenging environments. Its advanced design enables the processing of substantial number of trees per hour, establishing it as a vital tool for forestry operations in cold climates. The incredible performance of the fastest tree felling equipment not only speeds up the logging process, but also minimizes the impact on the environment. Please leave a comment to let us know which machine you like best. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to update notifications about the latest videos. See you in the next video.